Hi kids, welcome to Tiny Toddles World. Let us learn ABCD with cute jungle animal. Are you ready to roar into the jungle? A for Anaconda, B for bear, C for crocodile, D for deer, E for elephant, F for fox, G for giraffe, H for hippopotamus, I for iguana, J for jaguar, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nightingale, O for owl, P for panther, Q for quail, R for rhinoceros, S for snake, T for tiger, U for ural, V for vulture, W for wolf, X for X-ray tantrum, Y for yak, Z for zebra.